It's not St. Patrick's Day without a little of the color green. All week long, we're going green in the kitchen. We're rolling out a range of recipes that you can add to your St. Patty's Day spread. My next guest is looking in the kitchen for no food dye for a fresh alternative. She's giving us a salad. Alex Daynes is back adding her voice to the series. If you're gonna go green, what's it gonna be?
It's gonna be this cucumber salad. It's crazy, but this is immediately where my mind went when I was told I needed a green recipe.
I thought you would go dessert.
I know.
I thought you would. I really did.
I did too, but I have been making this recently, and you have to try it. Like, it's basically dessert in a vegetable salad. And it's bright green, it goes with everything. Like if you just need something quick to throw together, throw on your plate, this Asian cucumber salad, it's it.
Say no more, teach me how to do it. Yes. I can't wait to try.
Okay, so I start with my cucumbers and I slice them thin. And I like to do the mini Persian cucumbers. You could also do an English cucumber. Okay. But any cucumber
Why a Persian?
I feel like they're just cute. They're little. They have a little more of a snap to them.
Snap. I'm like, they're just cute.
And they are cute. They look good in a bowl. You know, we're all about making things look good. But we have to prep our cucumbers first because we want that crunch. We want that bite. And cucumbers, they naturally have some, but they also naturally have a ton of water content in them. So this is how we're going to help that crunch factor. We're going to take a little bit of salt after we've thinly sliced them, and we're gonna put it in a colander like this. Sprinkle it generously with salt. Like we're talking like 2 teaspoons. I've already done it, so like 2 teaspoons of salt on here.
Just keep going.
Yes, and you can see it's dripping through, but just let that sit while you get the rest of your ingredients out. 15, 20 minutes. It's gonna soak up all that water content, and it's gonna draw it out. And then we're gonna rinse them off before adding them to our salad.
So drawing out that water is what makes them crisp.
Is what makes them crisp. They're doing this at your favorite restaurants. They're doing this at your favorite, you know, places that you go out to eat. If you've had like a really delicious, really crunchy cucumber, they're prepping them this way. I'm giving you the restaurant tip.
This is a big deal. Now we know.
Now you know. So normally I would throw these into a tea towel or on just like some paper towels and pat them dry, but they're gonna have like that crisp, they're gonna have that bite, but then also the salt is gonna give it it's gonna draw out the cucumber
I was gonna
flavor.
say, it's gonna be better.
Yeah,
it's gonna be
better. It's gonna be better.
Yummier.
Exactly. Yep. And so really, the dressing for this cucumber salad is pretty simple. So we have rice vinegar that we're gonna add to a bowl. We also, I like to reach for, if I'm gonna do sesame oil, I like toasted sesame oil. Again, just another element of flavor. This is the dessert factor of this salad.
Go ahead, tell me what it is.
Sugar.
Yep.
Here's our sugar.
Yep. There it is.
And then fresh is best, but I was lazy today. So this is garlic powder and ginger powder.
Well, you may be lazy, but this is what I use every single day. So thank you.
I'm giving you permission.
For us peasants that we
No. I'm telling you, it'll taste just fine. It'll be better if you use fresh, but you know, sometimes you don't want to hassle with 1 clove of garlic or peeling the ginger.
Okay, so this is all it is.
So that's all it is. Yep, we just whisk that together. A little sesame seed goes right in here. And you wanna let this sit for a minute just so that your sugar can come together and dissolve and be so delicious. But then you just take those cucumbers that we prepped. Again, normally I would have patted these dry. However, I did not.
For TV time.
For TV time, we're gonna go straight in. And then this is one of those recipes that you want to pop it in your fridge. You want to serve it super cold. So just make it not crazy ahead of time, but give yourself some time. And they'll store and in the fridge for like, I mean, they don't last very long because they're sweet and crunchy and delicious, but like up to 3 to 5 days. And again, they go with everything. So if you were to make like a little Asian rice bowl, if you were gonna even just make like meat and you just wanted like a delicious side salad, like I don't know if you're game to take a bite, but you should take a bite. Commercial break.
Yes, commercial break. I am happy to. Alex, thank you so much.
So
this
sweet.
is a healthier alternative to your green.
Yes.
Thanks so much.
You're welcome.